Hey everybody over in YouTube land. This is Jason R VHP. I'm just showing you we got a new pony in the works. It's a 94 Mustang GT convertible. I was able to get this for $2,500. It's pretty much stock, other than that it came with a Cobra intake for the SN95s. So we have that working for it. Wheels look alright, not too bad. Everything else, not great, but the transmission runs great. Pretty much all stock. It does have a clutch kit in it. So it has a brand new clutch, brand new flywheel, throttle bearing, pipe bearing, rear main seal, all that. So that's going for it. It's got leather interior, but as I'm going to open it up, you'll see it needs quite a bit of work. Yeah. Other than that, not too bad. A lot of things are loose. This is loose. A little bit broken. Yeah. But it'll get there. Yeah. Anyways, it only has, well, not only, it has 172,000 miles. Back seats are in really good shape. There's some extra parts back there. I can't really see it right now, but back seats are in good shape. Front seats are tore up. But the main reason why I picked it up for $2,500, because realistically, I wouldn't pay $2,500 for this. But the main reason is because of this intake. Let me pop the trunk because it's in the trunk right now. But it came with this Cobra intake for the 94, 95 Mustangs. So that is the plus. I usually get these for around $300, $350. So not too bad. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, not really much done to it. It's pretty much 95% stock. It sounds good, runs good. The engine's not in bad shape at all. She just needs a little TLC. What? Hold on. This thing's got it's got this darn thing. And I got one hand. Let's try this. Alrighty. Okay. Put this here. Alright, sorry about this, you guys. Anyway. Alright, so as you can see, pretty much 100% stock except for a little cold air intake. Not really do anything for you. But yeah, this is how I got it. I drove it straight here. So, yeah. It's got an alarm system on it, an older Viper system. Nothing special. It does come with a, what do you call it, a pager, so you can actually see what's going on. If, say, someone tries to open the door, it'll show you on the pager. But yeah, not so bad. Car starts up and runs. Let's do that right now. Actually, the shifter that came with looks kind of funky, but actually it's not too bad. The knob's kind of nice size, and it's big, but you know, it's nice. Doesn't make a lot of noise. It's pretty quiet. Nothing special. guess, one of the bearings, probably the tensioner or the idler. There you go. That's got a little squeak. It's got a little stumble. Probably when the injectors are getting old and sticky. But not too bad. What I'm going to do with this is we're going to do a simple upgrade. Wow, look at all those weights. You think they got it balanced enough? Yeah. Anyways. So planning on this one here is, let me turn it off so you can hear me better. What we're planning on doing with this car here is only, shut it off. Only planning on doing the simple stuff. So simple things that you guys can do at home. That's what we're going to do here. So I'll throw in the dyno, get a base number, and then we'll start tearing into it. So we'll take the heads, cam, and intake off. And we're going to try to get some inexpensive aluminum heads. So we'll try to see if we can get the Ford Racing 302 or 303X heads. I forgot what they're called. But they're basically a GT40 head in aluminum. Something cheap. Something if we have to rebuild, we can rebuild, but I try to get them around $600. We had the Cobra intake, so we used the Cobra intake. We got a BBK 70mm throttle body, so we'll reuse that. And then we'll go get a on3 turbo, just the plain Jane one, not the upgraded turbo like my red one. We'll go with the 70mm, throw that on, and shoot for 500 horsepower to the ground. So that's what we're going for. We'll go around 47-pound injectors. We'll use the Ford Racing ones. Computer, I'm not 100% sure if I want to use a quarter horse or a Mega Squirt Micro. This car is not going to be a lot of money put into it. I'm also going to do the paint on it, so it, as you saw earlier, it definitely needs it. But let me close this up. But yeah, something simple, something you guys can do, not a lot of money. I want to get so you guys can do the same thing, and so that's why it's not going to be, you know, expensive parts. It's just going to be the bone stock upgrade kind of thing. Well, not bone stock, but you know, aluminum heads, better camshaft, go with the Cobra intake, and hopefully, you know, you guys can repeat. And this will work on not only the SN95 5.0s, but it'll also work on the Fox Bodies 5.0s. You can do that as well for those cars. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. If you guys you know, want to see some more stuff, I've got this car here. It's in the works. This is a 03. Hey, Roo, get out of the way. Sorry about that. This is an 03 Cobra. It's supercharged, so we'll be messing with that. So more videos will come with that one. My 95, this one here, hopefully I'll get the car lift going pretty soon, and we'll start putting it's a bunch of grass on it, but we'll put the car up in the air and put the new fuel system in, then we'll start tuning it to ED5, and should be trying to push 20 pounds of boost and hopefully break 700 horsepower. And that's also a stock bottom end 302 with a on3 performance turbo kit. It does have a C4 transmission now, trans brake and everything. Suspension's all Team Z. We'll get this, and I'm shooting for the 9s for this one, so hopefully we'll break a 990 with it. I do have to get it caged before I can do that, because they won't let me back on the track, because I was doing 10s and they didn't like that. But anyways, next project I'll also be doing is this one right here. a little 66 Mustang. It's going to be put a 302 from a Fox body in, so right over there. Sorry, the place is a little bit of a mess right now. But yeah, we got a AOD transmission and the little 5.0. We'll be using that in here and putting a single turbo in and shooting for 500 horsepower in that as well. Then over here we got a 93 Fox body Mustang, Cobra Mustang. It's in here for a new wire harness. It's got an Anderson computer in it, and the old wire harness, somehow, this is what Anderson's quoting, they're saying that because the old wire harness kept the oxygen sensors on and they kept on heating, and so they overheated and fried themselves. So they said with this new wire harness, it'll shut off the heater on the oxygen sensors and keep from frying them when it gets up to operation temperature. To me, that's usually a computer thing, so when it sees it gets up to a temperature, it shuts it off. They're saying it's their wire harness, and they charge the customer more money to get the new updated wire harness. And so yeah, and plus we got a couple more things on that, but that is also in the works. This over here, little pickup, this one here, this is actually being worked on. We're swapping out the engine. We already swapped the engine out. This is the newer engine, and it came from a newer truck. It has a little more power, and we're just doing that right now. Had to convert the wire harness over because it was towards the newer truck, but yeah, no problem. We'll take care of that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. Nothing special, just what you see. But like I said, if you guys see anything you want to see, or is there anything you guys want to see, just let me know. If you want to see more with these other cars, that's a turbocharged PT Cruiser. We're going to be fixing the head gasket on that and fixing a little dent in the rear. I sold this car, and then the guy got in a little accident in the rear. You can't really see it now because it's all dirty, but yeah, there's some a little ding right there. You can't really see it, but there's right here, so I got to fix that and then get that thing back on the road. This I have to get fixed up. It's almost done, and get that on the road and get that sold. But yeah, the main projects are these guys here, and the red Mustang, the black Mustang, and the old 66. All right, if you guys enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. I'm trying to get some more mechanics over here so we can get more of the stuff done. That's my main thing, is trying to get this stuff done. It's just me by myself working on these cars, and it's just too much work. I need another mechanic here, and so as soon as I do that, I can get more videos out for you guys. I'm also going to look at a new camera, so I stopped using my cell phone to record all this, and hopefully everything works out. But yeah, like I keep saying to you guys, like and subscribe. Share the videos if you like some of the videos. If you go and look at some of the other videos, like I got a video of this one here running on the dyno. I think I was running 8 pounds at that time, and I was making 480, 490 horsepower, somewhere around there. So that's 8 pounds. We're running 16 pounds. We're running out of fuel, so we're running super lean. That at 16 pounds, we're making 663 to the ground. So hopefully with a new torque converter, a new fuel system, hopefully I'll be breaking easily 700s. But anyways, you guys have a good one. Thank you very much for tuning in, and see you guys at the next one. Bye-bye.